Hey guys, this is Ludwig with another quick Corona tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how to hook up orientation of CoronaSun with a environment map. So if we create just CoronaSun, you can see we have a new sun that's no longer a gizmo. It has a sun object and a target, so you can freeformly just move it around. Okay, so let's say that I load some environment map and displayed in a viewport. And for example, I want just something in viewport that I can use to quickly rotate the map, or in this case I have JPEG, so I want to have also some real sunlight, because JPEG has no dynamic range, and I want the orientation of the CoronaSun and my SanDisk on the environment always synchronized. So the first thing we need to do is just select and link, pick this and link up our sun object onto its target. So once we rotate it now, the sun rotates with its target. Next thing, I'm gonna isolate the selection. I'm gonna align it. So first I need to focus on the target. I'm gonna align the target so it exactly intersects. I'm first gonna bring our sun here, align the target so it intersects with the sun, and now I'm gonna align the sun so it's in the exactly same line. Okay, once this is done, I'm gonna select the target, go to wire parameters, and we're gonna wire Z rotation to, whoops, sorry, what we need to do actually is to go to animation, wire parameters, parameter wire dialog. Here we're gonna take Z rotation, Z rotation of our target. Here we're gonna go to environment texture map, and wire it to the U offset here. Now we do the wire from the target object to the environment, and we need to write a little expression, which is basically before the Z rotation we write red to deg, which basically converts radians to degrees. Thanks to that clown for this, and we gotta divide it by 360 because the range of U offset is 0 to 1, while the range of rotation is 0 to 360. Once this is done, we hit connect. And oops, I did something wrong. Let's just quickly, here, typo, red to deg. Update, here we go. So now if I rotate this, our environment map is rotating exactly the same way as the sun. And so if I get to any angle and I look through at my sun, it's always aligned with the SanDisk on our environment map. If you maybe are afraid that you will accidentally move your sun and it will become misaligned, you can always go here and here, hierarchy panel, link info, and enable these locks. So now you cannot move or rotate the sun, but if you rotate the target object, it will still rotate the sun as well, so it will always remain aligned. Okay, and obviously if you maybe find that the target object is too small in viewport, you can always just use the daylight system, which if you set, we put here CoronaSun, which if you set to manual mode, it's exactly the same thing. Here's the sun, here's the target, target rotates the sun as well, and basically it's the same thing as this, but you have this nice large compass that you can orient. So that's it for this short tutorial. I hope you found it useful, and see you next time.